Okay, here is the Italy pump most factory used for hydraulic motors. So let's see how this one is working. Yeah, so that's the motor middle connection board, this block, and also for suction, for discharge, and the connection to the pump. So from a motor shaft here, that's this slot, and from the pump shaft will be pushed in to turn it together. So this one how it's sealed. First, from this block, inside here will be a main seal. This one, when I take out, already broken. So this seal is seal from the pump coming, if it for sure from the shaft will come in oil. So stop it leaking from the block, coming out from the shaft, so stop the leaking. So it is pressed also by this washer and one bearing. So when this motor pushed in, first seal, then this washer and bearing, so it can turn it free and no leaking oil. Then it coming to this side. I will put it back. That's the pump head, this side. Connect it back. It's very small clearance, so it's a little bit high if not aligned. So when it's turning, assembled, it will be like this. Also one more seal is pushing in. This one also seal. So stop from the shaft oil to coming out. And here, this side, that's the suction side. Suction hose and coming from this hole to the pump. This side will be O-ring to seal it. So suction from this hole, then coming inside the pump. So that's the seal. It's assembled like this. This is the gear pushing in. I will push out to show you what is inside. So this pump can only suction from one side. You cannot turn in another side to another side suction. Cannot work like that. It's designed to turn in like this to see from top, turning anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise, this side is the gear. When you turn it, you will see the gear will be disengaged, making more space, so cause vacuum. Then will suction from this side. And the oil keep turning together with the gear. The housing, it is sealed, yeah, very small clearance. So the oil will turn together and coming to this side. From this side, the gear will engage together. So at the beginning, these two gears which going to engage, that's a small space, empty space. When they engage, the space becoming smaller, so it's pushing the oil out, so causing more pressure. So this side you will see it's sealed by outside the ring. This side will be discharging and coming out from here, go to the block, that's the seal, then coming out from the block, this side, connect a nozzle, go to the valve. So it's basically two chambers. This chamber, suction chamber, is running through the same, yeah, this side. Inside, it's a vacuum suction chamber. This side, that's high pressure discharging chamber. So the material for this pump, the gears, and outside shell cannot be same material, otherwise they will be worn out quickly. So inside that's hardened steel gears, outside is thin aluminum. So it's soft. When they turning together, it's more smooth, not too much this grinding and causing small particles will damage the pump. That's how this one working. So when this pump leaking, if after a long time leaking, mostly two places, the cover, these two cover gap. So this O-ring will need to be changed. Maybe they get hot, get hard, so it's not sealing. And most probably, maybe it will leaking from the shaft. So because from the pump, this shaft here, no seal. This oil will coming to the block here, go to the motor shaft. So it's only sealed by one C-shape opening O-ring. So if this O-ring get too hot after a long time running, because it's turning always have friction, it will become hardened and no more sealing effect. The oil will going from the shaft, from motor and coming out to motor side. That's how it, after a long time running, start leaking. So need to change the seals. That's normal maintenance for all machine. After running long time, maybe 50 hours and 100 hours, or if some material when assembly not good, maybe only a few hours, depending on who is assembling, how is the material. So thank you for the watching. That's basically how is this pump running.